to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. And as you see, I am doing this bob that came out so cute. Don't worry about the lace. I think the light was hitting it wrong, because y'all know usually my lace be right and tight, so don't act like I don't be giving it to y'all every time. I think the light was just hitting it wrong. I don't know why I like that on camera, because it didn't like that in person. But anyways, kept construction, all of this great stuff. I cannot pronounce the name of this hair company, so it's in the thumbnails, in the title. All of the stuff I'll try to put in the description box. I'll be saying that and be just straight lying, y'all. I do not be putting it in there, and I apologize, because I be forgetting. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Let's get into this pre-colored bob. I did not know what style I was gonna do for this hair at first, but then when I got it on and stuff, I'm like, I don't want to leave it at this length. Like, I'm one of those people who don't feel like that length is cute. Like, shoulder length is just not cute to me for some time, unless I want to do like some voluminous curls. But most of the time, it's like an awkward length for me. So it's either I'm gonna cut it or I'm gonna get some hair that's super long. But yeah, this is like awkward length. I think this is an 18-inch. So yeah. So y'all just gonna watch me. I'm just gonna comb it out some. This hair has, or was, this is old, was sitting in my room for, a couple weeks, I ain't gonna lie. So I just gave it a nice good comb. I did pluck and bleach and stuff like that. And I'm going to first show the hairline after I put the hair back, and then I'm gonna go and cut my ear tabs out, and I'll be back. Okay, so now we're gonna get into this part. The part is, it's already like a factory setting little part, but I just wanted to clean it up, get my hot comb on there going so it's more predominant, because this is colored hair, so you don't want an orange part, you want a skin color part if you want to do one. So I'm just taking my shears bond wax stick, and I'm gonna take my hot comb and then hot comb all of it down, and then I'm gonna go into flat ironing, and yeah, that's it. And I know y'all probably see like them, lines and stuff and the humps and dumps and stuff in it. Please don't do me. This is just so I could get like the cut down because I'm gonna go back and flat iron it and bump it when I go to do like the actual bob part. So this straightening was just that I could, get that one first cut. And I'm gonna cut this part on my head, laugh at myself, and you're gonna see it because it looked real funny looking in the beginning. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm really just a. You gotta trust the process with me because stuff be looking ugly sometimes. I wouldn't even sit here and lie to myself. I wouldn't sit here and lie to myself, and I wouldn't sit here and lie to y'all. It watch when I let go of this hair, I'm literally gonna laugh and then stop. Like, all right, bro, relax. But it was funny looking. It was like a flat top. It was so flat on my head. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this part on my head, and then I'm gonna take it off and cut it the rest on my mannequin head so that it's like, for the most part, even all across. You know, because cutting on your head is too hard. I commend you if you can do that. See, it just was funny looking. But yes, I took it off and I'm gonna cut the stuttering. Cut the rest and it looks, oh my gosh. Let me tell you how good that looked. Like if this bob was black, it would have never came out that cute. Like because it was colored hair and you know, the universe knew I wasn't gonna wear this hair, it came out cute. But if it was black, let me tell you. But yeah, I just went and raised it off the lace and I had messed up a little part. But then I'm gonna go on, and I don't think I used glue for this. I think this was glueless. I'm not sure. We'll see in a little bit, but I'll meet you there. Yeah, see, it wasn't gel. I mean, it wasn't glue. So I'm gonna take my bed head and I'm just gonna spray this on. Lip was itching, mustache growing in. No, I'm just playing. I don't have a mustache. But anyways, I did a glueless install for this. Talking trash. You know, getting distracted. We love that. Spraying myself on my bare forehead. We also love that. And don't talk about I'm not gonna lie. Don't talk about my sideburns because I'm not about to sit there and shave my sideburns off. I feel like with my installs, like personally on myself, I have the most trouble with my sideburns. Like I can brush them up as much as I want, but they're still gonna be down there, and I don't know what to do. If you got any tips about that, tell me, cause I don't know. But anyways, after I sprayed it down, you know, I tied it down. Now I'm gonna get into actually styling the bob and making it cute. I'm not gonna talk through that part for real because, you know, it's really repetitive. But I will say the bump and the curvature that this bob had was giving it to me. Okay, it was giving it all it's got, Stevie or Scotty, whoever you are. And I was loving it. Okay, like I said, if this bob was black, if this hair was black, it would have never came out this cute. But I'm gonna have to try and make a black bob look this cute because y'all don't understand how much I wish that this hair was black because I would have kept it on like for a while. It was so cute. But yeah, I'll just let y'all watch me style the bob and give myself a little bit of a lift. I know I love a lift. And yeah. 110% once I was done filing, and and y'all saw how y'all can't even sit here and say that I did not do my thug thizzle, because I did. But yes, I did my thing. I did my thug thizzle. Don't even sit there and say I didn't. But the rest of this video is just me, showing y'all my hair because I absolutely loved it. I loved the bump. I loved everything about it. So make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video.